In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Brave browser. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Brave browser and click on the first link. And here we will be having Get Brave. Select that. And the setup file will be getting downloaded in a flash. Just open it and the installation process will begin. Just be patient for a while. Once it is installed, automatically Brave browser will be opened. If you want to set it as a default browser, you can click this, else just click on skip. And next, if you want to import any settings from your previous browsers, you can do that, else click on skip. And we can just give maybe later, and I don't want to share anything, so we can uncheck these and click on finish. That's it, we are all set to use Brave browser. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel, done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.